You and my apprentice has corrected them. Exactly 20 pairs. Let's iron the decorative line now. The ironing decoration line here has two functions. First, press the glue tighter. Second, as a reference line for punching stitching line. When ironing the decorative line, usually we use F2 or Fn to do tabs. What's the difference between them? Pressing line from Fn2 is thicker and rounder. What about F2? It's finer and more delicate. If you just start leathercraft and use electric edge creaser, I would personally recommend just F2 and S0.5. If you do more vegetable tan leather goods, then you can buy Fn2 and S0.5. Other tabs are not particularly useful. The combination of these two heads can solve 95% of your needs. This is the effect of F1 ironing out. I will give you a comparison later. This is ironed with F2. This is F1. The effect may not be visible. Wait a minute. Let me take a picture with the camera. F2 on top, F2 down. The difference is subtle, but there is a difference. Okay, and I've ironed a few. You iron the left. It requires practice, especially around corners. Let's show you how to iron corners. Straight line is easy to iron and easy to understand. Just go straight and then around the corner. Be sure to tilt this up. Just stand on the tip at the bottom. Then one hand doesn't move. Turn the leather with another hand until this straight line and then pressing down completely. Then go to the corner. Stand it up again. Then just turn it around. Then go straight again. Get to the corner and let it stand up completely. Turn slowly. With more practice, you become proficient. It's the same as cutting. Lie down when pressing a straight line. Stand it up when at the corner. As for whether to push or pull, both are workable. Like pulling corners, then stand it up the same way. The left hand turns leather. This question has also been asked by many people. Should I push or pull? It depends on how you get used to it. After the decorative line is finished, we can start punching.